Okay, I'm in Brownstone, Minnesota today. It's a Thursday. I guess every other Thursday they have a car get together. So I'll show you what's here so far.
How many of you people remember the day the music died? Yeah, you were there too. I think you were there too. I did have a chance to work with Waylon Jr.
I think this one wins. It's a 32. I think it's a Ford, isn't it? Does it say? Yeah, it's a Ford. And then on this side, it's 6 o'clock. I'm going to put you on Facebook. I have to say this is probably second place. That's a 32 too, isn't it? My uncle had one of these. His was red, of course. So, it's the last car, and the band is playing, and here we go. We'll talk to you later.